The Pi network has generated significant interest in the world thanks to its promise of accessible, energy-efficient crypto mining on your smartphone. But are you reeling into another scam? My name is Abdullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about the Pi network, whether or not it's a scam, and is it going to be safe investing your time and money into this thing. Pi Network emerged in 2019 as a smartphone-based cryptocurrency mining platform founded by a team of Stanford PhDs, including Nicholas Kokalis and Chendiao Fan. The core appeal is extraordinarily simple. Unlike traditional cryptocurrency mining that requires expensive hardware and substantial energy consumption, Pi enables mining on a smartphone. All you have to do is open up the Pi app, tap a button, and well, you're done mining crypto for the day. The project's stated mission is democratizing cryptocurrency access, making financial independence available to everyone globally. This approach has proven tremendously popular so far, with the Pi app having over 100 million downloads on the Google Play Store. And these downloads just reflect the interest in this idea of a widespread cryptocurrency that anybody can mine. Pi employs a consensus mechanism inspired by the Stellar Consensus Protocol and Federated Byzantine Agreement. This is in stark contrast to something like Bitcoin or traditional cryptocurrencies that use a proof of work mechanism. Instead, Pi creates a trust graph with a three-tier validation structure. Users who mine Pi by opening the app daily, desktop node operators who verify transactions, finally supernodes that confirm consensus and record blockchain data. This structure is permissioned rather than fully decentralized, and the Pi core team approves who can operate nodes. Now, critics argue that tapping a button on the Pi app doesn't really do anything because tokens are generated every hour and assigned to active users every 24 hours. So, what really are you doing when you're pressing the button on the app? Pi Network's mainnet was initially scheduled for 2021 but since has faced multiple postponements. The team promised an early 2025 launch, which has finally occurred, and on February 20, 2025, Pi Network transitioned to Open Network, marking a significant milestone that connected Pi to external blockchains and enabled trading on exchanges for the first time. The token opened at approximately $1.45 after mainnet launch, but initially dropped to around 70 cents within 24 hours. Since then, it has stabilized around the $1.50 to $1.70 range. So this launch does appear successful from a technical perspective, with Pi now being listed among the top 15 cryptocurrencies in the world in market cap. That said, it is still absent from major cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance. The Pi team recently celebrated Pi Day on March 14, 2025, their 6th anniversary and the first since the Open Network launched. They introduced .pi domains, a blockchain-powered domain auction exclusively using Pi tokens, creating a new utility case for this cryptocurrency. Now, in terms of tokenomics, Pi token supply is limited to around 100 billion tokens. Out of these, 60% are reserved for crypto miners, 10% for community builders, 5% for exchanges, and the remaining 20% goes back to the Pi core team. Despite its technically successful launch, Pi does have some serious concerns. For starters, the mining mechanism is questionable. As I said before, pressing the button on the Pi app doesn't really seem to be doing anything, so what are you doing? The app also collects your data like name, email address, and location, so that's also a bit of a gray area. The referral system in Pi rewards users for inviting others, with active referrals increasing mining rates. Now, Pi says that this isn't a multi-tiered marketing scheme, considering bonuses are divided equally among everyone, but it does look a lot like a pyramid scheme, especially considering the program awards continuous recruitment. Then there are monetization questions. Pi has been unclear about sustaining itself financially. The team doesn't accept fundraising from users or investors, which has led to speculation that they might be selling your user data to third parties. Pi does say that this data is encrypted, but they also say that they share it with third parties, especially node operators who might see your data to verify transactions. Last but not least, there are KYC requirements. So Pi requires identity verification through Know Your Customer procedures. March 14, 2025 was the deadline for KYC verifications, with users who have missed it potentially losing a significant amount of their Pi token holdings. So while Pi Network has successfully launched its mainnet after years of delays, questions do remain about its long-term viability. The project's mission of cryptocurrency democratization has attracted millions of people globally, but concerns about its mining mechanism, referral structure, and the monetization strategy persist. So if you're our viewer and you're considering investing into Pi, well, you're not really losing anything by opening up the Pi app and tapping a button other than giving up your name, email address, and location. So that's not really worthy of being called a scam. At the same time, there are no plans from Pi about how it's going to sustain itself in the future, or whether or not it's going to appear on any major exchanges and be worth anything in the real life. We're going to have to wait and see for Pi to make an announcement or show up on a cryptocurrency exchange for it to be viable, but in case it does, it's going to be a pretty good airdrop. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and if these videos do not help you out as much, do consider getting a membership, and we'll see you in the next video.